Hello guys and welcome to my video. Today we're gonna do a damage preview of SMG submachine guns. Last time we did about pistols. So let's begin. First up we have the R99. This is not an original skin, this is one of my skins, but yeah, this gun has a lot of recoil, especially at a distance. That's why it's an SMG. It's supposed to be up close. It's a close range weapon. But let's begin. To the head we have 17 damage body shot, 11 damage. I accidentally sprayed a bit. 11 damage. To the legs, 9 damage. Yep. Okay, so you got that. I'm not gonna make this long, gotta make it short. This is the Alternator. It's also one of my skins, not an original skin. This gun, it's a good gun. Does it have a lot of recoil? The fire rate is just very slow. The R99's fire rate is the fastest between all the guns, I think. But yeah, let's go. Headshot 24, body shot is 16, and leg shot is 13. Okay, now to the heavy ammo weapons. We have the car SMG and the Prowler, I think, yeah. Let me just get a magazine. Okay, let's get up to the car. It's not an original skin, it's one of mine, and it can use two different ammo types. It can use heavy ammo and it can use light ammo. So you just switch with your left D-pad if it's on Xbox. On PC I don't know, on PlayStation I don't know either, but on Xbox it's the left D-pad button if you haven't changed it. See, now we use light ammo, if you can see in the right corner, right below. And if I do it again, it's heavy ammo. So let's see, heavy ammo damage. Rate 20. Body's 13. Just can't tap it as I. And the legs 10. Light ammo. Okay, that's gonna do shield damage or something. Let's just go to the head. Come on. 20. 13. 10. Okay, so the ammo type does not make a difference. Okay, next up we have the Prowler. This is one of my skins. This is an original skin. It's a burst gun, not automatic. So yeah, it uses heavy ammo. It's good at close range. And let's see what damage it does. To the head, 42 to the body, 52 to the body again, 70, it's 70 to the body, and to the legs 55. Yeah, it's a burst gun, so it is not gonna be totally accurate. Okay guys, so that's all the SMGs. As far as I know. Oh, and now we have the best one. I forgot about this ever since they took it out of the original game and put it into a freaking care package. Now this this is the Vault SMG. It uses red ammo, but this is also not an original skin. This is one of my skins. It did use energy ammo, but can I pick it up? No, okay. But yeah, now it doesn't anymore because it's not in the game anymore. It's part of the care package. So yeah, it's an automatic. So you can just let the trigger go and you'll get a lot of shots. But first off, let's go. Headshot damage, 26 body damage, 17 leg damage, 14. This thing will mow you down in, let's see, a second. Basically second, half a second. If you can aim, control that recoil. Not like me, I'm still trying to control my recoil. Yeah, and that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope it wasn't too long. Hope it helped a bit. Next video will be about assault rifles, and then from there we'll go on. So have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, please subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see, what you think of the video, and what I should change. Goodbye, guys.